Hello everyone, my name is FARHAINI from F1T3. Today I would like to explain how to answer bicycle question. So let's start. The question that I got is question 5 from chapter 4. First thing first that we need to do is read the question properly. Question A. For each of the molecules given, PCl3, PCl5, and POCl3. Draw a Lewis structure and name the shape based on molecular geometry. So there is two questions, which is Lewis structure and name the shape based on molecular geometry. Second, predict the bond angle and reduce the polarity. So there is two questions also, which is predict the bond angle and reduce the polarity for this molecule. Question B. Show the formation of a dative bond in the direction of AlCl3 plus with Cl negative 1, and the product is AlCl4 negative 1. So let me show you how to answer this question. Okay, for this question, you guys can construct a table to isolate these three molecules. Before we draw a Lewis structure, we need to calculate the number of valence electrons. But if you guys don't want to put in the table also can, because this doesn't have any mark. Okay, first we start with PCl3. As you can see, after we calculate the number of valence electrons, PCl3 have valence, which is 2. So 2 is known as lone pair. So after you have done calculate and draw, get 1 mark. Okay, for PCl5 doesn't have any valence, so no lone pair. But you guys must be careful, okay? If state PCl3, so 3. So make sure it has 3 bonding pair. PCl5, so it has 5 bonding pair. Okay. Here for POCl3 also doesn't have any valence, so it has no lone pair. But for this, double bond is formed between P and O atom because O does not have enough valence electron, so that's why O have double bond. But if double bond, it count as 1 bonding pair. So POCl3 has 4 bonding pair, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, with correct number of bonding pair and number of valence electron, so we can get 1 mark. Okay, for molecular geometry, the question states name the shape based on molecular geometry. So we need to draw the shape first. Okay, for PCl3 is A, B, 3. The molecular geometry for AB3 is trigonal pyramidal, and this is shape, so we get 1 mark. For PCl5 is AB5. So the name for AB5 is trigonal bipyramidal. So this is shape, so we get 1 mark. For POCl3, as I said just now, double bond is count as 1. So POCl3 is AB4. So the name for molecular geometry is AB4 is tetrahedral. So we get 1 mark. It matches the shape and name, okay, because the question state name the shape based on molecular geometry. Name the shape. So that's why we need to draw the shape. We need to draw the shape and name that shape. Okay, and then we can get 1 mark. If we didn't draw the shape, we can get 1 mark. So here is the answer for question A2. The question 1, predict the bond angle and the polarity. Okay. First, state the bond angle for each molecule. State the bond angle for each molecule. Okay, we get 1 mark. Okay, settled. Second, for the polarity. Before we state the polarity, we need to explain first how we can know either the molecule is polar or non-polar. Okay, first we need to know the bonding pair and lone pair. Okay, for PCl3 has 3 bonding pair and 1 lone pair. Okay, for PCl5 has 5 bonding pair and no lone pair. For POCl3 has 4 bonding pair and no lone pair. First, state the bonding pair. Second, state the arrangement of the bond. PCl3 bond, the arrangement is not symmetry. Okay, not symmetry. For PCl5, the arrangement is symmetry, so can cancel off. Okay, for POCl3, it's not symmetry, so cannot cancel each other. Okay, so the second explanation. Okay, and then lastly, we need to state the polarity. So if the arrangement is not symmetry, so mu not equal to 0, which is polar molecule, and then we get 1 mark. Okay. If the arrangement is symmetry, so mu equal to 0, so non-polar molecule, we get 1 mark. Okay, for POCl3 is not symmetry, so if not symmetry, mu not equal to 0, so polar molecule, we get 1 mark. So total for this question is 6 marks. So here is the answer for question B. AlCl3 plus with Cl -1 and the product is AlCl4 -1. So first we draw the AlCl3. Draw the AlCl3 and then Cl -1. -1 means accept 1 electron, so Cl have 8 valence electron. And then you get this. So as you can see, Al has 3 electron pairs around it. Hence, Al has an empty orbital here. So when AlCl3 plus with Cl, and then cut this. So draw the HCl3 with 3 bonding pair with correct bonding pair and correct number of valence electron. These 3 bonding pair and the number of electron get 1 mark. And then Cl -1 means accept 1 electron. Then so Cl have 8 valence electron. So we get 1 mark. Then the product with this, and don't forget the negative ion symbol. Then we get 1 mark. That's all. Thank you.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.